1967, Awolowo, a Yoruba man, stabbed over 3.5 Igbo children in the Civil War, and they died of kwashiorkor. In 2023, when they saw that an Igbo man is about to win Nigeria election, they said there is technical glitch. They stopped uploading results, and they announced the Yoruba man as the president of Nigeria. In the year 2025, another Yoruba man failed 379,997 Igbo children, failed them in JAMB. It's not a coincidence. It's a deliberate attack on the Igbo. Everything is deliberate. It's intentional. Have you seen why Nnamedi Kanu say one Nigeria no go work? One Nigeria will not work for Igbo man. One Nigeria I had a bargain. Now waiting all of us know. 5 states in the southeast, all of them, they failed them. In Lagos states, because Lagos also they included, the 5 states, Anambra, Abia, Imo, Enugu, and Imo states, all of them failed them. In Lagos, do you know the location that is affected by this jam failure is dominated by Igbo, first stack. Igbo dominated area for Lagos, they fail all the Igbo children where they did. A Yoruba man. You see, one Nigeria, you might not believe it now, but you accept this reality later. Okay, in Nigeria, all of you dodging this, you don't accept it now. Mano ye lego from nanya. Oh ye lego from nanya. It must come. One Nigeria will not. It no go work. It's a scam. Other than the Hundi work, how work right? They did not fail Yoruba. They did not fail Hausa. They did not fail Akwa Ibom. They did not fail Calabar. They did not fail Biafra. They did not fail Benin. They did not fail any other tribe in Nigeria. But they fail Igbo children. And they say that is a glitch. It's an error. In 2023, they say it's a glitch. In 2025, they say it's a glitch. The children from Southeast, students, they said they know what they wrote. They saw that these students were passing. The figures, waiting then they mark, they cannot believe it.